everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a common challenge that many of us face, making a small bathroom look and feel bigger. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment or just want to maximize space in your home, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to share with you. Let's get started. Choose light colors. Light and natural colors are key in small spaces. Using light colors like whites, soft grays, or pastels can instantly make your bathroom feel more open and airy. Add a mirror. A well-placed mirror can help to reflect light and visually enlarge a space. A great way to make smaller bathrooms feel bigger is to swap out large, frameless mirrors for smaller, decorative mirrors with a minimal thin frame. This will give back some of the wall space and make the entire bathroom feel more spacious. Hanging a mirror above the vanity unit can do wonders and transform your once small bathroom. Frameless glass shower. Frameless glass shower doors are a game changer for small bathrooms. They create a seamless visual flow, making your bathroom look larger and more open. Plus, they're sleek and modern, adding a touch of elegance. Maximize natural light. Natural light makes the room look brighter and opens up the space so it appears larger. If you only have a small window, install a skylight or solar tunnel to bring more natural light into the room. Keep those curtains or blinds open during the day. Invest in good lighting. Light is important to bring out the best of your bathroom. If you're limited in terms of natural light or don't have a window at all, then enhance your space by bringing in more lights. This doesn't have to be more wall lights or ceiling lights, but investing in something like an illuminated bathroom mirror or LED bathroom mirror can really improve the ambience of the space. Save space with clever storage. Clutter will make a tiny room feel even smaller. So put everything from makeup and cleaning supplies to towels and spare toilet paper somewhere. Use smart storage options such as drawer inserts, wall-mounted rails, and door shelves, and organize daily necessities on trays to keep them tidy. One of our favorite storage hacks is to use magnetic strips in cupboards to hang tweezers, razors, and other easily misplaced items. If you're working with a truly tiny bathroom, use the extra floor space for storage baskets. Small-scale fixtures. Using small-scale fixtures and fittings like a small bathroom sink, toilets, and shower heads can create an illusion of a bigger space. Using storage solutions like shelves, medicine cabinets, and under-sink organizers can keep the bathroom essentials out of sight, and the space will feel more open. Incorporate open shelving. Open shelves are not only practical but also visually expand your bathroom. They allow you to showcase decorative items and keep essentials within easy reach, all while making your space look more open. Keep everything the same color as much as possible. Using lots of different colors and patterns in your bathroom makes it appear cluttered. It divides up the space so it feels smaller. Using a uniform, light color throughout the room will open it up and create the impression of a larger, brighter space. Large format tiles will make your bathroom feel bigger than it really is. Firstly, there will be fewer grout lines, so your walls and floors will look more seamless and less cluttered and restrictive. So, there you have it, 10 fantastic ways to make your small bathroom look bigger and more inviting. Remember, it's all about creating the illusion of space with clever design choices. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!